Good morning, respected principal, teachers, and my dear friend. My name is Ananya Pandey, studying in class 8B. Wish to give a speech on Republic Day celebration. Republic Day means supreme power of the country. Republic Day is celebrated on 26 January constantly in India. In the year 1950, the Constitution was formed. India turned into a secular and democratic-based nation on this day. On this day, all the workplace and establishments stay closed as this day as a national occasion. School, university, and other instructive organizations commemorate this day with extraordinary show and graduate. Students effectively partaking, singing, dancing, competition, and so on. Today we as whole are here to celebrate 72 Republic Day of our country. This is an incredible and favorable event of every one of us. Republic Day in India has a great importance in the history as it tells each and every struggle of Indian freedom fighter. Republic Day means supreme power of the people living in the country, and only people has right to select their representatives as a political leader to lead our country as a right direction. So India is a republic country after 26th of January 1950, where public has right to select their leaders as a prime minister, president, etc. Our great Indian freedom fighters struggle a lot, Pumasa in India. We cannot forget their sacrifice toward our country. On this day, the awards and medals of bravery are also given to the armed force and to civilization too. The main attraction of this award are the young kids who are awarded by the Prime Minister to show the ultimate beside bravery to young who are saved the life of other peoples. When the helicopters fly the parade of the past and shower the rose petals to the audience, everyone feels special. The program ends at the national anthem. It's a day that beyond the thing that caste, creed, religion and language and all the feel as the same emotion of loving our country. Thank you all for giving me a chance to express my feeling about Republic Day, and I am proud to be an Indian.
Good morning everyone, respected principal, teachers and all my dear friend. Myself Ayushi Verma, I am in class 6A. Today I am sharing with you few words about Republic Day. Firstly, I wish you very happy Republic Day. In this year we are celebrating our 72nd Republic Day. We celebrate Republic Day on 26 January every year. The Constitution of India was adopted on 1950, hence this day is important for the citizens of India. We should make our country the best country in the whole world. Thank you, Jai Hind.
Good morning, respected principal, teacher and my dear friends. My name is Vartika Verma. Today I am going to share with you a few words about Republic Day. Firstly, I wish you all a very happy Republic Day. In this year, we are celebrating our 72 Republic Day. We celebrate Republic Day on 26 January every year. Before independence, India was under British rule. In this day, the Constitution of India came into force in 1950. Hence, this day is very important for the citizens of India. Indian Constitution is the largest written constitution in the whole world. India became a secular and democratic country on this day. Indian Constitution gives us our fundamental rights like freedom of speech, education, religion and more. Republic Day is very important to us as Independence Day. On this day, we salute our tricolor flag and pride of our nation.
हम लोगों को समझ सको तो समझो दिलबर जानी, जितना भी तुम समझोगे उतनी होगी हैरानी। हम लोगों को समझ सको तो समझो दिलबर जानी, जितना भी तुम समझोगे उतनी होगी हैरानी। अपनी छतरी तुमको दे दे कभी जो बरसे पानी, कभी नए पैकेट में बेचे तुमको चीज पुरानी। फिर भी दिल है हिंदुस्तानी, फिर भी दिल है हिंदुस्तानी, फिर भी दिल है हिंदुस्तानी, फिर भी दिल है हिंदुस्तानी। थोड़े अनाड़ी है थोड़े खिलाड़ी, रुक रुक के चलती है अपनी गाड़ी। थोड़े अनाड़ी है थोड़े खिलाड़ी, रुक रुक के चलती है अपनी गाड़ी। हमें प्यार चाहिए और कुछ पैसे भी, हम ऐसे भी हैं, हम हैं वैसे भी। हम लोगों को समझ सको तो समझो दिलबर जानी, उल्टी सीधी जैसी भी है अपनी यही कहानी।
हो मारे या कोई मारे ना, यहाँ अपनी भी थोड़ी अदा थोड़ा अंदाज है। ऐसे हैं चाहे वैसे हैं, अरे जो भी हैं जैसे हैं, खुद पे हमें नाज है। कहते हैं हमको प्यार से इंडिया वाले, छू लेते दिल के तार से इंडिया वाले, हर जीत छीन ले हार से इंडिया वाले, दुश्मन के छक्के छुड़ा दे हम इंडिया वाले, दुश्मन के छक्के छुड़ा दे हम इंडिया वाले। परवाह नहीं जो भी कहता है कहने दे, जग ये भला या बुरा, जैसी भी मर्जी हो हमारी, करते हैं ऐसी होशियारी, पर दिल से यार जो ले पुकार तो जान निसार कर डाले, कहते हैं हमको प्यार से